Tired of overpriced plastic cars with fragile tech and tiny turbo engines? Before crossovers and electric gadgets took over, Detroit still built real sedans with power, comfort, and reliability. Today, we're uncovering 6 forgotten American cars that still deliver old-school V8 performance, smooth highway cruising, and proven durability without luxury car prices. Most buyers ignore them, but smart enthusiasts know these machines are future classics hiding in plain sight. Some are already disappearing from American roads, and prices will not stay low forever. These are the affordable American legends you should buy before everyone else catches on. Number 6. 2016 Chevrolet Impala. When you think of the name Impala, your mind might drift back to the chrome-heavy cruisers of the 1960s or the legendary SS models. But the 2016 Chevrolet Impala is quietly carving out its own legacy as one of the most durable, comfortable, and underrated full-size sedans ever to wear the bowtie badge. This isn't the rental car Impala of the early 2000s. This is the 10th generation, a car that returned Chevrolet to its roots of building more car than you paid for. Under the hood of the most desirable models is the 3.6-liter LFX V6 engine. This is a true workhorse. It pumps out 305 horsepower with a smooth, linear delivery that modern turbo 4s simply cannot match. It's an engine designed for the long haul, lacking the high-pressure stress of forced induction. When you're cruising down a two-lane highway at 70 miles per hour, the Impala feels anchored. It's heavy in all the right ways, soaking up road imperfections like a sponge. Mechanics across the country often point to this specific era of Impala as the sweet spot. The parts are plentiful, the layout is logical, and the maintenance is refreshingly cheap. Inside, the 2016 Impala offers more legroom than many luxury European sedans that cost 3 times as much. It's a true 5-passenger vehicle where full-size isn't just a marketing term, it's a promise. The trunk is a literal cavern, capable of swallowing enough luggage for a cross-country road trip with the whole family. But beyond the utility, there's an emotional connection here. This was one of the last great, large American sedans before the industry decided everyone wanted to sit higher in a crossover. It has a silhouette that commands respect and a ride quality that reminds you why we used to love driving. Clean examples are currently trading at prices that make modern car payments look like a scam. But you have to act soon. As people realize how bulletproof these V6 engines are, the low-mileage survivors are being snapped up by those who plan to keep them for the next 20 years. It's a practical legend, but our next entry on the list trades that practicality for a heavy dose of aggressive American attitude and a rumble that you can feel in your chest. Number 5. 2017 Chrysler 300. If the Impala is the sensible choice, the 2017 Chrysler 300 is the bold one. In a world of aerodynamic blobs that all look the same in a parking lot, the 300 stands out like a sharp-dressed man in a room full of people wearing pajamas. Its high belt line, massive grille, and aggressive, squared-off shoulders give it a road presence that hasn't changed much since it took the world by storm in the mid-2000s. But by 2017, Chrysler had refined this platform into something truly special. The 300 is built on the LX platform, which famously shares DNA with classic Mercedes-Benz engineering from the era when overbuilt was the standard. This gives the car a rear-wheel drive soul that you can feel in every corner. For the enthusiast on a budget, the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 is a fantastic, award-winning engine that provides plenty of pep. But for the true seeker of American gold mines, the 5.7-liter HEMI V8 is the crown jewel. This is the engine that defines the American dream. The low-end grunt, the subtle rumble at idle, and the effortless power that makes merging onto a highway feel like a victory lap. The 2017 model year is a particular gold mine because it benefits from years of incremental improvements. The electronics were stabilized, the 8-speed torque-flight transmission was perfected, and the interior materials were upgraded to feel genuinely premium. When you sit in a 300, you feel insulated from the chaos of the outside world. It's quiet, it's plush, and it's unapologetically American. People overlook these because they assume Chrysler reliability is a myth, but the 300, especially the later models, defies that reputation if you give them basic care. They are simple, heavy, and mechanical. It's a poor man's Bentley that actually has the heart of a muscle car. As we move toward an era of silent electric motors, the rumble of a 300's HEMI is going to become a rare and sought-after symphony. It's a car that makes you want to take the long way home just to hear the exhaust note one more time. But if you think the 300 is the peak of comfort, wait until you hear about the library on wheels. That takes our number 4 spot. Number 4, 2016 Buick LaCrosse. There is a certain stigma attached to the Buick brand, a grandfather car reputation that has, ironically, kept the prices of these hidden gems incredibly low. The 2016 Buick LaCrosse is perhaps the best example of a stealth luxury car in the used market today. While everyone else is fighting over used Lexus or BMW models with astronomical repair costs, the savvy buyer is looking at the LaCrosse. The 2016 model marks the final year of the second-generation body style, and it represents the absolute pinnacle of that design's reliability. Buick engineers focused on something they called quiet tuning. They used triple-sealed doors, acoustic laminated glass, and specifically designed suspension bushings to create an interior environment that is hauntingly silent. When you're behind the wheel of a LaCrosse, the potholes, the wind noise, and the sound of modern traffic simply disappear. It is a sanctuary. Mechanically, it shares the robust 3.6-liter V6 found in the Impala, meaning you get 304 horsepower and a powertrain that any local mechanic can service for the price of a steak dinner. It doesn't have the finicky air suspensions or the complicated turbo systems that plague European luxury cars. It's just solid, well-built American engineering. The 2016 LaCrosse is for the person who wants to arrive at their destination feeling refreshed, not stressed. It's for the person who appreciates a soft, gliding ride over a sport-tuned suspension that breaks your back on every expansion joint. This is why older American buyers love them. They were built for people who actually enjoy the act of cruising. These cars were often bought new by owners who meticulously maintained them and kept them in garages, meaning the used market is currently full of pristine, low-mileage examples that are being sold for a fraction of their original MSRP. It is a hidden gold mine of comfort and durability that most younger buyers completely ignore. But as the full-size sedan disappears from showroom floors, these grandpa cars are starting to look like the smartest investments on the road. We've covered the reliable cruiser, the bold muscle sedan, and the silent sanctuary. But we are just getting started. The top 3 cars on our list include a sedan built like a tank, a Cadillac that redefined understated cool, and a final entry that is arguably the last true affordable American muscle legend. Wait until you hear which sedan is quietly becoming collectible. We've seen the cruisers and the quiet sanctuaries, but the top 3 cars on our list represent the absolute peak of American utility, luxury, and raw, unadulterated muscle car power. Number 3, 2018 Ford Taurus Limited. The 2018 Ford Taurus Limited is a car that was literally built to serve and protect. While the world was busy chasing small crossovers, Ford was busy perfecting the full-size sedan. This car is a fortress on wheels. It shares its heavy-duty DNA with the Police Interceptor, meaning it was engineered for high-speed stability and extreme durability. Under the hood sits the 3.5-liter TVS V6, a naturally aspirated masterpiece that avoids the complexity and heat-soak issues of smaller turbo engines. It is a bulletproof workhorse that rewards basic maintenance with hundreds of thousands of miles of service. When you sit in the Taurus, you feel the massive road presence that only a wide-track American sedan can provide. It's a library-quiet highway cruiser that eats up miles with an effortless grace that belies its size. It's a hidden gold mine because Ford has officially exited the sedan market, leaving the Taurus as the final chapter of a storied legacy. Used prices are incredibly low for a vehicle of this caliber, but clean, low-mileage examples are starting to disappear into the hands of commuters who know a good thing when they see it. It is a massive, comfortable, and incredibly safe machine that offers old-school American confidence in a modern package. Driving one of these feels like commanding a ship on the open ocean. You are insulated, powerful, and completely in control of your surroundings. But as impressive as the Taurus is, our number 2 car completely shocked used car mechanics with its longevity, smooth ride quality, and understated luxury that many people simply walked right past on the dealership lot when it was brand new. Number 2. 2017 Cadillac XTS. The 2017 Cadillac XTS is the thinking man's luxury car. For years, Cadillac tried to compete with European sports sedans, often sacrificing comfort for lap times. But the XTS was a return to form. It was the last true traditional Cadillac, prioritizing a buttery smooth ride and massive interior volume. Mechanics love these cars because they utilize the tried-and-true 3.6-liter V6 engine, a powertrain that is significantly more reliable than the complex twin-turbo setups found in newer models. The XTS features magnetic ride control, a technology that reads the road 1,000 times a second to keep the cabin perfectly level. It's a hidden gold mine because it offers the prestige of the Cadillac crest without the terrifying repair bills associated with German rivals. It's a car for the driver who wants to glide over the interstate in total silence, surrounded by high-quality leather and real wood trim. Collectors are beginning to notice these cars because they represent the final evolution of the soft-riding American luxury sedan. You can currently find pristine examples for the price of a mid-range Toyota, but that window is closing as enthusiasts realize how reliable these machines actually are. It is the ultimate expression of understated American class and a testament to what Cadillac used to stand for before everything became about screens and sensors. However, the final car on our list is something else entirely. It is arguably the last true affordable American muscle legend that you can still buy today if you look in the right places. Number 1. 2018 Dodge Charger R/T. We have reached the summit. The 2018 Dodge Charger R/T isn't just a sedan, it is a rolling piece of American history. In an era of hybrid electric gadgets and silent motors, the R/T stands as a defiant roar of old-school engineering. This is the absolute king of hidden gold mines because it offers the legendary 5.7-liter HEMI V8 in a package that provides visceral, raw power that you can feel deep in your bones. When you turn the key, the rumble of that V8 is a physical sensation that reminds you why we fell in love with cars in the first place. With 370 horsepower sent to the rear wheels, it offers a driving experience that is rapidly disappearing from the modern world. It is the perfect blend of aggressive styling, loud exhaust notes, and real-world practicality. It can fit a family of 5 in total comfort, yet it possesses the soul of a dragstrip warrior. Why is it a gold mine? Because Dodge has officially retired the HEMI V8. We are looking at one of the last naturally aspirated V8 sedans ever made. Clean, unabused examples are already becoming highly sought after by collectors who want to preserve the final era of American muscle. If you want a car that provides a soundtrack of pure freedom, the 2018 Charger R/T is the one to buy before prices skyrocket and these legends vanish into private collections forever. It is the ultimate expression of American power that you will never forget once you get behind the wheel. Don't let these pieces of American history slip through your fingers. Before modern electronics and small engines take over completely, grab a clean example of these legends while they're still affordable and reliable. Comment below which one you'd pick to drive home today. Happy hunting!